All right, welcome. Thank you for joining another video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're doing. I hope you guys are doing great. This is the property 1139 Thompson's Place in San Antonio, close to Highway 90, less than 2 miles from Lackland Air Force Base. This property has a long driveway in the back with a patio. There's a patio in the back and an extra house in the back. Let me go show you. Inside it's a 3-2 and the roof is new on this property. Let's go check it out, guys. It's a beautiful home. They remodeled this in 1920s. They was remodeled all the way around. So you walk into the flooring that they put in. And we're greeted by this brick fireplace. To one side we have our master bedroom. Again, good sized bedroom, 4 windows in the room. Closet's not that big, but the bathroom's beautiful. Let's go here and check it out. Sweet, now I can't find the lighting, but it's a beautiful restroom, you guys can see. Stand up tower. All right, here we go. There you go, that was it. Let's go in there and check it out again, guys. Let's do it right. Right, not sure what's on the outside, but okay, here we go again. Let me show you the other 2 bedrooms in this house. We have here a bedroom, here 2 windows, nice windows, new windows to replace. Room is not that big itself, like 8 by 10. And a nice size closet for the size of the room. Here we have the restroom that goes for the other 2 rooms we share. Walk into the shower. And we're walking back into the switch. How you guys doing? And we over here by some more cabinet space. It takes us over to the shower. And lastly, in this side, this house, we have another room. Better, bigger than the last one. Flooring as well, ceiling fans, new windows, good size closet. All right, show you a little bit how it looks on the outside before we get out there. But let's go out there and check it out. So the laundry room, we need the kitchen. Let's go ahead and check it out. The flooring on this property is lifting up. I think they didn't put enough glue or they didn't hire the right people, right? But it's easy fix. Beautiful kitchen. We got here, we have a large, long living room. All right, with a beautiful rock fireplace. Ceiling fans everywhere. And we're walking into this beautiful kitchen with a long island. Long island here. Should be our dining area. Again, with a ceiling fan on top. And our kitchen that we repainted the cabinets. There's 2 ways of going out. We have our regular side here for the patio. And then we have this door that takes us to the laundry room. In the laundry area, here we go. Here goes the laundry, your boiler, your water heater. And then turns into a sunroom. How beautiful is that, guys? All right, let's go ahead and go out here. Out here we have the long patio driveway. There's a long, it comes right from the outside here. It's all connected, there's plenty of parking space. This here is a shed that needs to be replaced. And back here it's a property with 2 beds and 2 baths with solar panels, guys. It has 2 different entry doors, but it's the same property. But check out how much room we have left on this property to build on, keep building and keep expanding. So this will be the garage, great workshop, barber shop, whatever you want to turn it into. Again, look at this beautiful land. Look how beautiful and quiet it is. I'm just gonna be quiet for a second. All right, so this is be the 3-2 or the 2-2 that they have in the back. And let's go ahead and see if we can get this one open for you guys. So nice patio outside. The roof when you come out. Prevent the water getting into the house. That's a view from the house. The solar panels are only on this back property, not on the front house. But still, it will save you some money. Sorry about that. All right, let's get in here to the room in the back. You have a full bath here. This will be your washroom, your closets. Right, your closet. Sorry, you're gonna get into your closets. Your walk-in closet for this room. And this room has a full bath. That's not connected to the closet, but it's a full bath. Again, this will be the master bedroom. Has its own restroom. And then as we go this way, we'll see that we have a full kitchen. Lots of storage space. This will be our dining area. And we continue walking this way, we'll have another room slash dining area with a restroom. Some entrance and exit door here. Again, that's an outside view where we're at. And then this would be our living room slash, yeah, there'll be our dining room over there. And then this would be our back room here. Another back room, good sized room. Better view back here. Good sized view. And a nice walk-in closet here. All right. Let's go out there and see the land. And lastly, show you a second shed that's back there, man. There's a lot of opportunities for this property, man. If you guys are looking to invest in a property with a lot of opportunity, this one is it, man. As I walk, I'll just be quiet and let you listen to the beautiful birds. Alright guys, around the house here, we have this shed also. It's detached from the property. It's an aluminum roof. But you go in here and there's another workshop, another storage room, another place to grow and expand the house. Walking back this way, go ahead and take a little look at the yard for the neighbors, see what they have going on back here. Plenty of space, some nice old school classic cars back there. All right. You guys looking for a quiet, peaceful property with tons of opportunity and chance to expand and grow the house? This is it, guys. You want your kids to run around, you want some dogs, you want some space to be in the city. We're really close to the downtown, very close to military base, which is called Lackland Air Force Base. We're minutes away from Highway 90, which is our Highway I-10. Connects you to Houston, connects you to from Del Rio, from El Paso, whenever you're walking in. But guys, again, income potential. Want the in-laws living in without having to go somewhere. You got the elderly parents. They want their independence, but they need to be with you. This is it, guys. Great opportunity, great house. If there's anything that you guys need questions on, I have your answers, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Make sure you guys share this video. San Antonio, what we do, we help people, we add value. Have a good one.